Hello, everyone. We're excited to share some uplifting news with you today. You've probably noticed a new join button next to the subscribe button on our YouTube channel. Well, we're here to tell you what that's all about. This new feature allows you to become an official member of Atmosphere of Grace, helping us to continue bringing you content that strengthens your relationship with the Lord and contributes to your spiritual growth. We all know that when we work together, our efforts are magnified. And that's what becoming a member is all about, lending your support to help this ministry succeed. And there are special perks that come along with becoming a member. These perks are our way of showing our appreciation for your generous support. As a member, you will receive custom badges that will appear next to your name during chats and comment sections, allowing your messages to stand out. You will also have access to members-only emojis, designed specifically for our Atmosphere of Grace family. In addition, you'll receive priority replies to your comments, making your interaction with us more personal and meaningful. Now, we want to reassure those of you who are not ready or able to join at this time. Please remember, this change does not take anything away from our regular content. We are committed to maintaining our mission to provide a welcoming and supportive environment for everyone to deepen their understanding of the Word of God and to find inspiration to live a fulfilling life. The free content that you've come to love and rely on will continue just as before. We hope that these memberships will only enhance our Atmosphere of Grace community, giving us more opportunities to connect with you and empowering us to do more for you. We're looking forward to this new chapter in our journey together. Thank you for your love, your prayers, and your support. Whether you decide to join as a member or continue to be a part of our community in the ways you have been, we appreciate you and thank God for your presence in this community. May the Lord continue to bless you abundantly. We hope you'll consider becoming a member and supporting our mission. Remember, it's all about creating an atmosphere of grace together.